अब the question which I am explaining right now is also in one of the top 3 interview questions. If you answer these 3 questions, you got the job. चाहे कोई भी बड़ा brand हो. They always ask you, what is unique about you? Why should I hire you? तो यहाँ पे आपको अपनी तारीफ करने के in addition to that, you must back that up, that fact up with an example. जब example का backup ही नहीं होगा, then it's just mere words. So this answer has to be done in 3 steps. Remember this golden rule. Okay, 3 steps. Step 1. In my previous company, this was the situation. You tell them whatever the situation was. For example, at IBM, they aligned me to a process, to a business, another line of business, another business unit. They just told me, go observe. I went and I observed. Now I'm an extra miler, as I told you. तो मैंने वेट नहीं किया कि लोग मेरे पास आएंगे परेशानियां लेके तब मैं उन परेशानियों का समाधान निकालूंगा. ना, I don't wait for these things. I know what my job is, you know. I must justify my salary. So what I did was, while observing, I came across some challenges and barriers. I noted them. Then I chalked a training module. And I executed that training in 3 weeks. So step 1, what was the situation? Step 2, what did you do? Maybe you followed a methodology. Maybe you followed some steps, 1, 2, 3. Step 3, always talk of the result. अगर आपने काम किया, लेकिन result के बारे में नहीं बताया, that means you're walking on a road which doesn't lead anywhere. Okay, so in the business world, we are always talking of the result, numbers. ठीक है, आप कर तो रहे हो, लेकिन इसका लाभ क्या होगा? इसका अंत क्या होगा? That's what people are always talking about, and we must talk about that. So, step 1, I told them what the problem was. This was the situation. Step 2, how did I handle that situation? Step 3, what was the result? What was the measurable result? See, there's one way saying that people say, and this is the wrong thing that they do in an interview, and I reject people left, right, center because of this. They say, towards the end, I was able to improve performance. Improve performance का मतलब क्या है? It has to be quantifiable. पहले कितनी थी performance और आप कहाँ लेके गए उसको? जब तक ये फासला नहीं बताओगे तो कैसे performance पता चलेगी? So I was aligned to a process at IBM. I observed some pain areas, some challenges. Step 2, I followed the SWOT analysis, which is a training methodology, and implemented and executed a training plan and executed the training. What was the result? The CSAT performance, customer satisfaction score, which was at 68%, I moved it to all the way to 92%. So from 68 negative to positive 92. इसमें मैंने क्या किया? I have thrown in some statistics. अब इंसान को पता चल गया, अच्छा पहले परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ थी, मर्विन ने मेहनत की, ट्रेनिंग दी और उनको यहाँ तक लेके गए 62, 68 to 92. तो अब पता चल रहा है कि इन्होंने क्या किया, कैसे किया और उसका रिजल्ट क्या था. 3 स्टेप्स में. This is how you must explain in an interview. When you talk about things about yourself, कि मैंने ये किया, मेरे अंदर ये quality, I'm a good manager, I'm a good team player, I'm an extra miler, I'm a very good listener, I have a solution oriented mindset. तो लोग ये जानना चाहेंगे, ठीक है, ये सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं चीजें, लेकिन वो सिचुएशन बताओ जहां पे आपने ये करके दिखाया, तभी तो पता चलेगा कि प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन कैसे किया आपने. दे वांट टू नो कि आप कैसे करते हो काम, आपका स्टाइल क्या है, आपकी सोच क्या है, व्हाट इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस. दैट्स व्हाट दे नीड टू नो. इफ इन दोस 20 minutes you are able to explain this to them, you got the job. चाहे वो ब्रांड सबसे बड़ा क्यों ना हो या सबसे छोटा क्यों ना.